Hi everybody, welcome to this way of travel. My name's Joe and I am in Hamburg. To help you navigate between the different sections of this vlog, there's timestamps in the description that you can just click on and navigate to the section that you're interested in. And also check out the corresponding blog entry for this vlog on my website for any up-to-date information and any corrections. Previously, I was in Münster, a lovely city with some very cool medieval features. You can check it out in my previous vlog, links in the description. I decided to catch another Flixbus which cost me about €11. And it took roughly 4 hours to get from Münster to Hamburg. Time for a quick 30-second intro and overview about Hamburg and some fun facts. Located in northern Germany, Hamburg is Northern Europe's most important transport hub. As a city of almost 2 million residents, it is Germany's second largest city after Berlin, the capital. Hamburg claims many of the world's records, like the most number of bridges, beating even Venice and Amsterdam combined. They also have the world's biggest model railway, its miniature wonderland. Plus the city hall has even more rooms than Buckingham Palace. Fun fact, the people of Hamburg are also called hamburgers. Anywhoots, back to you Vlogging Joe. Yes guys, I've finally arrived in Hamburg, made it safely, no mishaps this time, unlike my little trip going to Münster. If you don't know what happened, you should check that video out. And I've been looking forward to come to Hamburg. The main reason for me to be actually in Hamburg is for a video conference called Keyframe, organised by the lovely people from Traverse. And I got here a couple of days early because I just want to have a chance to just chill out and not feel rushed doing all the stuff that they've already got organised, and take my time about stuff. And my first point of call, as I always do when I come to a new place, is to go on a walking tour. And there appears to be quite a few free walking tours, and I'm just heading over to the free walking tour now. There's somewhere around here, I'm not too sure exactly where, so I'm just going to try and find it now. So do excuse me and join me for this walk. Luckily I found my tour just around the corner. I decided to choose a walking tour from Robin and the tour guides. They seem to have really good ratings on TripAdvisor. Our guide was a local called Brent, a very knowledgeable Hamburger. Turns out, one of the public transport ferry boats is the best way to see Hamburg from the water. It's much cheaper than one of the tourist boats. It only costs about €3 and it's also included in the Hamburg card. It's a great tourist card and offers discounts and free travel. From the open roof you can get a great view of Hamburg or hide downstairs when it's raining. I found the history of Hamburg to be really quite interesting. For example, Hamburg was an independent city or free city, and this meant that it wasn't controlled by any one person or ruler. It then joined the German Federation in 1815, the birth of modern Germany. Hamburg is definitely known as a bit of a party town, being a port town with sailors arriving from ships needing some entertainment. As you can imagine, a fair amount of debauchery was had in days past and still goes on to this day. It has some great bars and music venues to party into night and morning. And if you're around during September time, there is a particular festival that you might be interested, the Reeperbahn Festival. The Reeperbahn Festival is a city music festival. And what that means is that you get a wristband which acts like a pass, and you go from venue to venue listening to different bands. And it's a great alternative way to explore a city through its music halls, bars and other quirkier places. If you like your music city festivals, then you should also check out my content on the Gräscape in Brighton and Airwaves in Reykjavik, Iceland. Just a small interruption. During the time editing this vlog, I actually have been to the Reeperbahn Festival and come back. I'll be releasing a vlog and survival guide in the future, so make sure you don't miss it by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. By the way, big spoiler, it was pretty epic. And now back to the vlog. After all that culture and learning, we was introduced to a local brewery, Astra. The Astra brewery bar on the Reeperbahn is great for groups looking for some food and drink. But of course we couldn't stop there and carried on to another local bar called Alice Elbe. It's a teeny little bar that serves amazing craft beer. A great place for an intimate drink and is very, very popular with the locals. Good morning everyone, and it's another fantastic day here in Hamburg. I'm just starting my day. It's been a really good stay here at the Hamburg International Hostel, and I definitely recommend it. They give you a free breakfast, and what's the real big selling point to this place is the fact that you've got this view when you wake up. That's it, you have a really good view. Oh, you probably can't see me. You have a great view of the whole harbour, and you see the ships just passing by, and it's a really good place to just, well, wake up first thing in the morning, have breakfast on the porch. I've got time for one quick sight in Hamburg before my friends arrive. So I'm planning to go to check out the Elbe Tunnel, which is the tunnel that goes underneath the water. Anyway, let's check it out. And right now I am just above the Elbe Tunnel, and I've got with me to do a small interview Stevie the Seagull. Stevie Seagull, what do you think about the Elbe Tunnel? What's your thoughts on it? Yeah. What's that, Stevie? You think it's really cool? Yeah, I thought so as well. I like the history. What do you think, Stevie? Oh yeah, so Stevie just said that it's 26 meters below the river is the actual tunnel itself, and it's, how long is it? 428 meters, says Stevie the Seagull. Thanks for that, Stevie. And yeah, it was built with a couple of thousand people, and at the time it was a technological revolution to actually have this tunnel built. And what's that, Stevie? Okay, I'm talking too much apparently. I should just check it out because it's a really lovely tunnel. It's actually used as a pedestrianised tunnel. There's a few different ways to get down there. It's, what's that? 3 ways? Okay, 3 ways. Right, there's a stairs they can go down, there's a small lift, and there's a vehicle lift. So if you're cycling, you can actually get down. In fact, I should just show you, shouldn't I? Thanks for that, Stevie. You take care now. So, I'm on the other side, but there doesn't seem to be much here. I didn't really think this through. I was thinking that now that I've gone through the tunnel, as it looked like one of those tourist attractions to check out, I thought there'd be more on the other side, but there literally is nothing here. It's a tunnel that locals just use to get to the other side, and that's about it. You can't really walk through the waterfront like you can do on the other side, but otherwise, just walk back once you've gone through the tunnel by the looks of things. My friends and I decided to book an Airbnb right on the Reeperbahn, and just in case you're thinking of doing the same, it can be a little bit noisy. Just a small warning to the light sleepers out there. Anywho, back to the vlog. I'm checked into my Airbnb, and what's really cool about it, it's so close to where I was before. It's only like literally a 10-minute walk from where my hostel was, and my friends have started to arrive. I've got my good friend Darren and my good friend Ed joining me. In fact, I might as well introduce you guys, so let's do that now. Sky, say hi! That's Ed. Hi. Hello. And then there's my friend Darren as well. I'd love to carry on talking, but I'm really hungry. I'm really bad as a vlogger. As soon as I get hungry, all I can think about is food rather than just talking to you guys. So I'm sorry, priorities. I guess I'm just going to have to pick up the slack from Vlogging Joe. We went to BLOCKBRÄU Brewery, a popular beer hall and restaurant located by the waterfront, serving traditional German food. It's located in St. Pauli, and you can spot it by looking out for this clock tower. And if it's sunny, you should also have a drink on the terrace, just like the locals. Make sure you don't miss out on any of my adventures. Follow me on Instagram, This Way Up Travel. I post stories on my travels, plus tips on travelling better and smarter. And in my next Hamburg vlog, I visit some incredible places, like the very quirky miniature wonderland, an actual submarine, which is pretty amazing by the way. And of course, more food and drink. And hopefully I'll see you at the next video.